इतले इम्पोर्टन्स कित्याक दिता ताका
तशी कितें आहा
ना कित्याक इम्पोर्टन्स म्हूण दिता त्या मनशाक
तशी कितें आहा
तेजे एक पूण कन्क्लुजन जाल्लें आहा एक पूण केस कन्क्लुजन जाल्लें आहा म्हाका सांग डिस्प्ले करूंक जाय
तशी कितें आहा बी तुमी
हें इलेक्शना पयलीं तुमी कोणें कवर करूं ना इलेक्शना पयलें म्हाज्या इलेक्शनाक डेली येतालें हांव पोर्चुगेज नॅशनल ग्रँडफादर सगळे येताले डेली कांयच जावना आनी आतां कमेस्नी हें केलां ताका सांग कोर्टान वच म्हूण सांग काबार इश्यू मेकळो
What is this truth?
व्हॉट इज द ट्रूथ हाव आय नो लेट यू आस्क
गौतम पैगल
People wants to know. It is not a forget about Irish.
Okay, people also, I am not a Portuguese national, I am Indian citizen.
And what about the document that he has shown?
What document?
He has produced one document
I have
of
not
some
seen.
16th April, wherein of 2016 or something, wherein
2016,
wherein that document says that you are.
it's all false.
Have you not applied for Portuguese?
Not at all.
Never. Ever.
Never.
You don't have Portuguese passport or something.
No.
So are you going to file a case against him for defaming you?
Let him prove what he has said. Let him prove what he has said. That I am a Portuguese national.
So you say you are not a Portuguese.
I am not. I am not a fool, I'll tell you. To be a Portuguese national and go for election. I know in and out everything of law. Correct? No outsider can contest here. No other than Indian citizen. I know that. This is just question mark.
So why do you think this issue is being
Because of some political reasons. Whose friend he is, you all know.
He was working for Congress I think last time.
I never met him. For last 5 years, I never met him.
He is doing for his friend.
Must be. You know who is his friend. Any other question?